Hello, I'm just going to give you a hand with some of the maths problems we've set for today. So this top one with the balance scales. Balance scales are often used as a way of replacing the equal sign because if they are balanced, they are equal. So that's quite useful in terms of how we might set this out. Now we can see that there's 3 weights on this side and 2 weights on this side. The first thing you need to do is you need to get the 2 sides so that they are just one equation on each side, basically. So over here I've got k add 4, I've got k, and I've got 3k take away 2. Altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 k's, and then I've got an add 4 and a minus 2, which together would make an add 2. Okay, so this could be simplified to be 5k add 2, whereas on this side I've got 2k add, take away 3, 4k take away 5, so this could be simplified as 6k take away 8. Once I've got my 2 sides of the equation, I need to get it so that all of the k's are on one side by taking away k's from each side, and that all the numbers are on the other side by adding or taking away the numbers from both sides. Whatever you do to one side of a balance scale, you do to the other as well. When you can get it, so there's just 1k on one side of a balance scale and a number on the other side, you will know you have found your value for k. Do check your answer once you get there. Make sure you haven't made a mistake. Okay, it will all make sense if you replace k with your answer. Okay, it should all make perfect sense to you. Question 2, it's about perimeter. So we've got 3h take away 1 is one side, h add 4 is another side. Okay, so I know that opposite sides are the same. So rather than 3h take away 1, if I double that up, I've then got 6h take away 2. And my h add 4, it's actually 2h add 8. And if I put those together, so my 6h's from these 2 sides, my 2h's from these 2 sides, that gives me 8h's. And I've forgotten where I was with the numbers because I'm not writing this down, but you should be able to get the rest, hopefully, from there. Number 3. If m and n are both whole numbers and m is equal to 3n take away 1, write a value. So I'm going to leave number 3. I'm going to go straight on to number 4. Number 4, there's a very similar question that you have done over the last 2 days when we were doing the SAT style questions. I'm going to leave number 4. Number 5, if y is a whole number, write down the values of y that make this true. So 50 is less than 2y squared, so 2 times y squared, add 3, and that is less than 80. Okay, so we need an answer that is between 50 and 80 when y is squared, doubled, and then has 3 added to it. So I'm going to give you an example of what it is not. If y were 3, right, then 3 squared is 9, 2 lots of 9 would give me 18, add 3, that would give me 21. So if y were 3, then the value of that is 21. I'd be saying 50 is less than 21. That's not correct. I need my answer to be more than 50. So you now know that y has to be more than 3. Okay, you can work it out from there. Number 6. Write the area in terms of h. What that is telling you when it says that is that we do not know enough to give the answer as a number in centimetres, for example. So we are going to have to give the answer to what the area is using what we know about calculating area and also writing it down as an equation that has h in it, because we just don't know what h is. Okay. B, if the area is 76 centimeters squared, find the value of h. Okay, so it's giving us an answer. It's telling us the area. Now, we work out the area of a triangle by doing base times height and then halving it. So if we've got the answer already, we're going to have to work in reverse. So we take our answer, which they're saying is 76, okay, and then the first thing we would need to do is to double it, okay. Then we can see that one of our lengths here is 8, right, and so to get this number, 8 will have to have been multiplied by something. You're going to need to work out what that is. Okay, so I'm giving you just a little bit to help you along the way, but there's still a lot of steps to go on that question. And C, if the perimeter is 50 centimeters squared, find the value of V. So V is this line here. Now remember, it's talking about perimeter now, not area. So the perimeter would be this side, add this side, add this side. So it's telling us what a perimeter is. We're then going to have to work out what V stands for in that incidence. I can think of all kinds of problems coming in with that question. That is going to be tricky. Okay, well, let's see how many of you make it to the end. Thank you.